What's up guys, Craig here with the Nikko DTG, and I wanted to do a video on the startup of your printer. If your printer is turned off or it's unplugged, normally once you turn it on, that first print that you send to the printer, it'll just disappear. It starts printing once you start from that second print and thereafter. Once your printer is stayed on, like mine, I normally leave it on. There's really no need to turn it off. So this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna turn it on so you can see exactly what happens. You check the video here, the camera. It's gonna start up. Sometimes it will do a head clean on startup. So what it does is it pushes the table forward. At this point, you could just hold the lever, push it all the way back in, let it go. So right now, we got solid green lights, and I'm gonna go to my laptop close by here. So I'm gonna do a print, and I'm doing a print right now. So I just sent a print to the printer. So let's see what's happened. This is the first print since it's been turned back on. You see the printer head move left and right, it pushes the table out, then it starts blinking. Right now it's doing like a print head flush. It starts spraying ink in the spit pad. So that's normal. And it goes back there, and then it's still gonna blink until you get a solid green light. At this point, you can push it all the way back in, let the lever down. It's gonna blink a few times. Like right now it's solid, which means it's ready to print. Sometimes it'll blink a little bit longer than some. It might blink for like a minute. At times you'll just blink for a couple of seconds. So right now I'm gonna send another print. I have a piece of paper taped on there. So now I'm gonna send my first print. So now it's gonna work. So at startup, once the printer is off or unplugged, you'll always have that happen. It's always gonna just disappear, because even if you check on your computer, you won't see that print in the pending. It may happen on some computers, depending on what Windows you're using. I'm also using the EK Print software, so it depends. But I know with EK Print on Windows 8, Windows 10, normally that first print, when it just starts up, it disappears. So if I get up tomorrow and try to do a print, it'll be ready to print. I won't get that. So right now it's just doing a print that I sent to it. Make sure you guys got a good view here. So once you get your printer, that first print, don't get worried if you see the light just flashing. It's not an error message. It's just something with DTG printers and the software. I just did a small graphic on paper just for a test print. Make sure you guys got a good view. Okay, so it should be almost done. Normally that would be quicker, but I have it set at the max setting so I get the best print. So that's why that small graphic took a little bit longer than usual. But it's on the max, the max settings. It's basically maxed out as far as getting the best looking graphic. So that's that. That's my test print. There's a couple more videos that I will be posting on the channel, so you could check them out. That I'm actually printing on actual t-shirts. This is just a test and to demonstrate the startup process. So that's it. Good to go. Any questions? Feel free to let me know.